Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can export a video in Premiere Pro. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Adobe Premiere Pro application on your PC and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click and drag the target video onto the editing timeline. Now, edit the video to your liking and tap on the Edit tab at the top of the screen. Then select Render In and Out from inside of it. After it completes, click on the Export tab at the top of the window and all of the export settings will be displayed. Now, expand the video section and uncheck the FPS feature. Then, select the preferred value and click on this More button. Now, get to the encoder feature and make sure hardware is selected. You can also scroll down a little bit more and choose the preferred bitrate. Now that you are done with it, scroll to the top of the list and click on this blue embed. Here, choose the target location and name for the video and click on Save. Once done with the settings, click on the Export button and wait for it to complete. So that's basically how you can export a video in Premiere Pro. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.